a video or something.
It is.
Oh. Okay.
Just when I took a video. It's our first time using a sewing machine. Look, it goes from small to a wider thing because we started switching the...
I think the wider thing's prettier.
It depends on what we're using it for, I guess. Oh, maybe we fucked up the tension.
What is tension? Which?
It's here. At least I think it is.
Okay, well, I think that we should definitely try lighter tension. Hey, we have lots of trial attempts.
Okay. Alright, that was trial number 1.
It gets a lot more jaggedy with this. Oh, I think this controls like the jaggedness of it.
Yeah, like how big it is, how wide it is.
Jaggy. I don't like it that jaggedy.
Oh.
It looks ugly.
Well, it's useful for other things.
This is beautiful.
Is that the right tension?
I like this tension a lot more. Like, feel the difference.
I think like this is just beautiful right here compared to this.
I know. I'm in love with my sewing machine.
And you wanted to throw it out.
Shush. Hey, all romances have their disputes, okay?
What was our first problem with this machine, Janice? The needle wouldn't go up and down.
Oh yeah, the needle would not go. I still blame my mom. No. The first problem was that there was no like bobbin.
That was an issue.
Where's the scissors?
Bed.
I'm gonna sleep on these and then I'm just gonna be like, ow, I have been slain. Okay, well.
Try moving it forward.
I am. I think it's like so thin.
Okay.
What the hell is that?
Oops, that's good. And we can label it with our pen. It can be like scientific and everything.
Diane.
I'm being serious.
I know, that's the sad part.
We're learning how our machine works.
Look, and it automatically, this is so beautiful. Okay.
You do not know how long Janice and I have been hand stitching shit.
So long.